Today's topic is equation for velocity time relation. Now we are to find an equation for velocity time relation. This equation that we will find out is also named as first equation. Now consider here there is an object moving with initial velocity u and reaches at a point with final velocity v. Now along x-axis we take time and along y-axis we take velocity. Because the object is moving with initial velocity u, then at point A the velocity will be u. This is OA is equal to u. Then its final velocity at B is v. Then we will draw this horizontal line to the x-axis, parallel to x-axis. It is intersecting y-axis at E. Then this OE is equal to v. OA is equal to u and OE is equal to v. Now the object is moving under uniform acceleration. Therefore we have got this type of straight line. At point B the time is t. At point B, if I draw a line parallel to y-axis, then it is intersecting at x-axis at C. Then this OC is equal to t, because we have taken time towards the x-axis, and we have taken velocity in meter per second towards y-axis. This one is y-axis. Now OA is equal to u, that is initial velocity, and OE is equal to v, that is final velocity. Now we have drawn a line parallel to y-axis, that is intersecting x-axis at C. Then OC is equal to t. This time is equal to t. And this BD is equal to, how much is this BD? BD is BC minus DC. How much it is? It is BC minus DC. Now this BC minus DC is, BC is how much? It is V. V minus DC is U. It means that this BD is equal to V minus U. We have got BD is equal to V minus U, and this DC is equal to U, and this BC is equal to V. This whole is V, this whole is U. Then this will be equal to this minus this. This is V and this is U. Then this is V minus U. Now we are to find the velocity time relationship. From this graph we observe BC is equal to BD plus DC. This BC is equal to BD plus DC. BC is given to be equal to V. Then BD will be equal to V minus U. We have done this. Now acceleration is rate of change of velocity. You know that acceleration, what this line is showing, it is showing uniform acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. This is the reason that because acceleration is rate of change of velocity, we are drawing the graph between V and T for uniform acceleration. Velocity is taken along y-axis and time is taken along x-axis. Now see here, I am coming to this point. See here, from the graph BC is equal to BD plus DC. This BC is equal to BD plus DC. BD plus OA. BD plus OA, because this OA is equal to CD. Then but BC is V and OA is U. Substituting the in equation number 1, then V is equal to BD plus U. This V is equal to BD plus U. V is equal to BD plus U. Then BD is V minus U. Just now I have explained it also. BD is V minus U. Then from the velocity time graph, the acceleration of the object is given by A. A is the symbol for acceleration. Change in velocity per unit time. Therefore, because here the change in velocity is BD, this is the change in velocity. Change in velocity per unit time. It means that acceleration is BD upon T. Change in velocity upon time taken. It is BD upon T. Here T is how much? It is OC. Then substituting OC is equal to T. A is equal to BD upon T. BD is equal to AT. We take T on left side, then it will get multiplied with A. Therefore BD is equal to AT. From equation number 2 and 3, BD is equal to V minus U, and 3 equation is BD is equal to AT. We put here on the place of BD AT. We get here AT is equal to V minus U. Then we bring U to the left side with AT, then it will become positive. Then we get V is equal to U plus AT. We get this equation, V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation. This is also named as velocity time equation. See here, here is velocity, acceleration, and here this is time. Then it is velocity time relation. Velocity time relation. It is V is equal to U plus AT. Now we come to the next, that is equation for position time relation in the next video.